Look familiar, Section 5? We're heading home from City Island, and we're taking Ramp C. This is where it starts. Behind that barrier, that's the road to the south side of the railroad tracks. It's the most direct route from Pelham Parkway. No Ramp C, no shortcut to the train. And here's where it meets I-95's new 4th lane. If they destroy Ramp C, no more road to the tracks and no more getting home to Palmer the easy way, like we've done for 50 years. Fight for the future of Section 5. Save Ramp C.
Save Section 5.